Hey everyone, my name is River and today we're going to be filming another bubble tea. This one is a matcha mix bubble tea. You can see the little picture here. I've done a bunch of these already. It's sort of like little tutorials to kind of help guide you through the packages of the instant bubble teas. So let's pop this one open and see what we get. First things first is with most of these, they come with a little straw. We have, the little boba. These ones are like the proper tapioca ones, so I'm really excited about that. And then we have the actual matcha tea mix, the milk tea. You can see it there. And we've got something else on the bottom here. Raisins. This one has raisins in it. I've never had a bubble tea with raisins before, but I do like raisins, so let's give it a go. Instruction wise, this one just says pop the stuff in, add the hot water, and you're good to go. I'm gonna pop open the actual milk tea mix first. I'm excited to smell that amazing green tea flavor. Ooh, okay. It's very like natural and kind of almost a bitter green tea smell. For some reason to me it almost smells like coffee. I don't know why. But you can see the green powder there. And we're just gonna dump that in. Okay, I'm gonna pop open the tapioca. Ooh, yeah, it is just like the normal tapioca pearls. We're just gonna dump those in. They're all like dried up. I'm also gonna be a little adventurous and put in the raisins. Never had this before, but here we go. Putting in raisins. So I've got the hot water all ready to go. Now we're going to very carefully pour that into our cup. There's no fill line. Handy dandy spoon. And let's mix that up. Ooh. Clumpy. It's very green. I've mixed it all up. It smells really nice. It's definitely, like I said before, that more like natural green tea matcha scent. Now I'm just gonna pop open the little lid. Like so. Pop that on top. Grab the straw, extendable, and then pop that on in the drink so it's ready to go. I am gonna let it cool down a little bit because this is piping hot, but I can feel all the little bobas and raisins at the bottom. My mom also just came past my front gate and it threw some green tea matcha mochi at me, which pairs perfectly with this drink, and it's also my favorite mochi, so I'm very excited to dig into this. Right, so I filmed some TikToks and bits, so hopefully this is cooled down enough to taste. Moment of truth. Ooh. That's really nice. That's a really nice matcha flavor. I thought it was gonna be really bitter, but it's not. It's definitely still like sweet, but it's not like overpoweringly sweet. That's really nice. If you like green tea flavor, you'll definitely like this. The boba's having trouble getting up the straw. I was struggling on that first sip. I'm not getting any boba. I know it's there, but I think it's just too chunky. The tapioca is really soft. Not like loads of flavor, like a bit of flavor, but it is really like gentle and squidgy. It's not like tough to chew or anything. I don't know where the raisins are. I'm not really getting any of the raisins. Just getting boba. Alright, so I personally think this is really nice. Let me know if you've tried this one before. Just noticed that this company is doing like a competition on the cup. I have no idea what it is. I can't read it. I love peely things, so I want to peel it. Let's see what it is. Imagine if I won. That would suck. Oh, it's just a QR code. Here you go. Someone can have my QR code. If you can focus on it. It's all yours. I got a raisin. It's soaked up a little bit of that tea, so they're like not as like squeegeed up and dry. It's actually quite nice. It's quite similar to boba. Now to crack open the mochi. Come to me. I'm like salivating. There it is! Eee! Eee! My favorite. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna drink this up and eat up my mochi and just keep on knitting and watching crime TV. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon.